Hurricane Helene, a catastrophic Category 4, showing no mercy, destroying property, flooding hotel lobbies, businesses, and homes.
Oh my god! Oh, it hurts! It's like pins! We waited so long for this! I've never been so wet! It's like pop-ups all over again! I'm soaked! I'm absolutely That was an absolutely terrible idea, and now we've got to exit through the penguins, which are in a freezer, and we're soaked. Oh my god, that is just cruel. That is cruel. I don't even want to see the penguins. Quick, Jacob, you can get through. Jacob, I don't even want to see him, it's too cold. Jacob, quick before hypothermia. Jacob.
If you enjoyed the video guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.